Linumceramic, a trendsetter in ceramic industry of the nation, coined in 2015, by the epitome of great foundations. We are one of the India's leading tiles manufacturing company along with customers' first choice for infrastructure development. Our product array includes digital wall tiles, vitrified floor tiles, porcelain slab, glazed vitrified tiles, or polished glazed vitrified tiles, and parking tiles. Our wings are spread across the nation in varied countries, and we do follow international standards. For continuous improvement in quality and effectiveness, we provide innovation in the state-of-the-art technology, and create world-class ceramic products, which are accepted in the market because of its after-sales service. Linumceramic, together we can build more.